Get up on one foot, brother. You got to get one foot up there. There you go. Because remember, you can see. You can see. Leapfrog, you can go first.
I'm gonna go when you are.
I don't think this is good. Oh, you're a dick. Ow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Door jam.
That was too tight. I was too close.
And launch him up a little bit.
All right, couple more drags.
1, 2, 3.
Couple more drags. One more.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
Yeah.